World Speech Day. What comes to mind when we talk about World Speech Day? For instance, it's a day that you can come online with the rest of the world to talk about issues that you are passionate about, or you could give the world your ideas or solutions that can help humanity. For me, I feel that I can contribute to some things on how to help people with chronic illnesses or hidden disability, because some of them are not being heard. So I come to speak to contribute to their well-being. My name is Adobe Onyekweli. I'm a reinvention coach. I like to help people by reinventing the way they look at their hidden disabilities. And I also like to be part of a solution to help progress people so that nobody stays behind. We are all one. We are here to help humanity. So if you've got a voice or you just want to show up, you don't have to be a speaker. You don't have to be somebody in the higher echelons. All you have to do is show up on the 15th of March 2021 and just listen to people from all over 100 countries. Your views will be showed all over. Thank you.